What if I told you that the secret to success isn't luck, talent, or even hard work, but something even more powerful? It's visualization. The world's top athletes, CEOs, and performers use this one technique to turn their dreams into reality. And today, I'm revealing the exact formula so you can do the same. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Rosemary, and I will help you unlock your full potential by mastering your mindset and habits. Today, we're talking about visualization, a scientifically backed method that programs your brain for success. Stick around because I'll be sharing a step-by-step technique you can start using today to get massive results, the science behind visualization. Here's the crazy part. Your brain doesn't know the difference between something vividly imagined and something real. Studies show that when you visualize yourself achieving a goal, the same neural pathways fire as if you were actually doing it. That means you're literally training your mind for success before it happens. Real-world examples. One, Michael Phelps, the Olympic swimmer, visualized every single race in detail, down to the strokes and turns, before even stepping in the pool. 2. Jim Carrey famously wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered before he ever landed a big role. Years later, he got paid that exact amount for Dumb and Dumber. The secret formula to effective visualization. Alright, now let's break it down into a simple, repeatable formula so you can start seeing results fast. Clarity. Define exactly what you want. Your brain needs specific instructions, not just, I want success, but, I want to grow my YouTube channel to 100k subscribers by date. Pro tip. Write your goal down like it's already happened. Engage all your senses. Don't just see your success, feel it, hear it, even smell it. If you're visualizing your dream home, imagine the scent of fresh paint, the feeling of the couch, and the sound of birds outside. The more real it feels, the more powerful it is. Repetition. Do it daily. Just like going to the gym, visualization works through consistency. Spend 5-10 minutes every morning and night imagining your success in detail. Emotion. Feel the success now. Here's the key. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and confidence as if you already achieved it. This rewires your brain to believe it's possible, making you act in ways that bring it to life. The number one mistake people make, and how to fix it. Most people visualize passively. They daydream about success but never take action. Engage all your senses. One, don't just see your success, feel it, hear it, even smell it. If you're visualizing your dream home, imagine the scent of fresh paint, the feeling of the couch, and the sound of birds outside. The more real it feels, the more powerful it is. 2. Be crystal clear on your goal. I want to grow my YouTube channel to 100K subscribers by December 31st. Three. The clearer your vision, the more powerful the results. The secret? Four. Pair visualization with action. When you visualize, your brain starts believing your success is possible. But to make it real, you must take small, consistent steps toward that vision. Try this. After visualizing, ask yourself, what's one small step I can take today to move closer to this goal? If you're visualizing YouTube success, film a video today. If you're visualizing fitness, go for a run now. Action plus visualization equals unstoppable results. Most people visualize passively. They daydream about success but never take action. The secret? Pair visualization with action. Building a new business? Start researching ideas that you like. Just start taking action, one small step at a time. Now it's your turn. Take 5 minutes after this video and try this visualization method, then comment below what goal you're going to manifest. Let's make it happen together. Subscribe for more success hacks. This video was sponsored by UnderTheStarsBabe.shop. Remember, while under the stars, babe, anything is possible. Thank you for watching.